Hello children, let us have 8th class maths first chapter rational numbers. So before going to that, let us have a small discussion about the problem. Forbidden fruit is sweet. What is the meaning of this, children? Forbidden fruit. Forbidden fruit means what, you know? The fruit which is not allowed you to take. Maybe due to some medical reasons. Maybe your elders say, don't take it. But as a children, you will have that feeling that if they say no, why should I stop? Let me take. So, somewhere by hiding yourself, somewhere you take. And definitely it will cause something bad to your health. Why doctor says or why elder says those words to you, that they will ask you not to eat just because to take care of your health. But you are not accepting that and you are hidingly having that. This is what is going to happen even in your life, children. Elders say a lot of things. They say do this, do that. Even teachers say this. But some students, they feel that why can't I do? Maybe due to enthusiasm or maybe due to a lot of ego, overconfidence. They say that yes, I will do it. Let anything be happen, I will do it. What happens at last? Definitely you will be in trouble. Afterwards, if you cry, afterwards, if you beg pardon, it is not at all of any use, children. So, remember one thing, if your elders say you not to do this, always have a trust upon them. Always you believe that they told you that not to do just because it is not good for you. They are always thinking about your bright, brilliant future. So, children, always obey elders. That is the only thing which will give you a great life. Let us come back to our studies. 8th class. Rational numbers here. Decimal representations. We are going to talk about decimal representations. How will you represent decimals? Now, you know that, children, a rational number. When you talk a rational number, what is rational number? It is something P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0. Already I have told you about this in your definition and various formulae. We have done various properties. We have done. So, any P by Q form can be converted into decimal form. Therefore, how to convert it you are going to learn now. Suppose you have got as an example, you have got a number 25 by 16. How will you convert it? This conversion is possible only when you divide these two values, children. When you divide, take 16, divide it by 25, 16 ones are 16 and you are going to get 9 and 0, then 16 5s are 80, 0, 1 you will be getting, you can keep another 0, then 16 6s are 96, 4 and 0. Then if you get, this is a 4, 16 6s are 96, 16 2s are. After 1 you need to keep a point, children. Then only you will continue. 16 1s are 16, 9 when you are keeping a 0 you have to keep a point. Don't forget it. So 16 2s are 32. So you may not get it here. So 40 I am getting. 16 2s are 32. So you are getting 8 and 0. 16 5s are 80. 0 you are getting remainder. So what are you getting, children? 1.5625. What did you do? 16 ones are 16. You have got 9. No other numbers. Keep a decimal here and keep 0. 16 5s are 80. Then 100. 16 6 are 96. 4 and keep one more 0. You need not keep decimals after ones. If you keep, that's enough. So 40. 16 2s are 32. 80. 16 5s are. So how much you are getting, children? This is 1.5625. Here, what is the remainder you got, children? The remainder you got it as 0. Therefore, these all are called as terminating decimals. So, all those decimals which are ending with 0, that means that the remainder is 0, those all are called as terminating decimals. Write down this, children. Now, let me take another example of this terminating decimal. It is 17 by 5. Another example, it is 17 by 5. You are dividing 5 by 17. 5 3s are 50. You will get 2. So no other number. Keep a point. 0. 5 4s are 20. So how much you are getting, children? 3.4. So this is also a terminating decimal. Why is it a terminating decimal? Because you are getting remainder as 0. Okay. Now let us see what is the next part of it. The next part is your copywriting, you know. Now we will go to non-terminating recurring decimals. Non-terminating recurring decimals. As the name indicates, non-terminating. Non-terminating means, for children, remainder will not end with 0. And recurring means reoccurring. Reoccurring means again and again you will get the same number as the quotient. So in quotient, that is in answer, the same number will be repeating, and in the remainder also same number will be repeating. So what you can say, reoccurring and non-terminating. Terminating is the word which you use where it goes to an end. It will not come, there is nothing afterwards. See, in the earlier example, I have got 0, then we cannot do at all the remaining portion. So when you have remainder 0, terminating. If you don't get remainder as 0, we call it as non-terminating. And answers, same number will be repeating. That is called reoccurring. So we can take for this an example. As an example, let me take 5 by 3. So take 3 and divide it by 5. 3 ones are 3. You have got 2. Keep a point. 0. 3 6 are 18. 2 again 0. 3 6 are 18. 2 again 0. 3 6 are 18. 2. So what happens, children? It goes on like this. So 5 by 3 can be written as 1.666 so on. You can represent it as 1.6 bar. This bar indicates this number is repeating. So the number that is repeating is called period. So here period is 6. And how many numbers are repeating? Periodicity. What is periodicity? 1. Means one number is repeating. So these two you should understand. Period and periodicity. Period means what number is repeating, that you will write. Periodicity means how many numbers are repeating, that you will write. These two you should understand for going to other problems in your textbook. So let us see this, children. Copy it. Non-terminating recurring decimals. Next, we will go for another example here to have another clear understanding. Let us talk about the other example, 1 by 7. So, you are taking 7 with 1. Okay, so can you divide? You cannot. So, you need a point and a 0. So, 7 ones are 7. You will get 3, 0. 7 fours are 28, 2, 0. Then 7 twos are 14. Okay, 6, 0. 7 eights are 56. 4, 0. 7 fives are 35. Again 5, 0. 7 sevens are 49. 1. So children, you have started with 1 and again you are getting 1. This is a repeating number. That means afterwards again you will be getting 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. It goes on like this. Okay, are you understanding? That means this particular part is again and again repeating. So 1 by 7 is nothing but 0.142857 raise upon it. So here, what is the period, children? Once again, the period here 142,857. Whatever the numbers upon which the bar is there, that is called period. And what is periodicity? Periodicity, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Periodicity is 6. I hope you have followed, children. Terminating decimals, non-terminating, recurring decimals. See, this is recurring again and again and again and again, the same number we are getting in the answer. Here also the same one, it is repeating. So, we will say that non-terminating, you don't get 0 in the remainder as well as in the quotient, a number is continuously repeating. Okay, children, copy it. Next. Now, we will go to conversion of terminating decimals into rational numbers. Terminating decimals, converting into rational numbers. How are you going to do this? The first one, that is, here is an example of only, this is also, it is 15.75. This is a decimal form, children. This decimal form, it is a terminating decimal as it is given. you have to convert it into rational number. If it is not a terminating decimal, how do you identify, children? There will be a bar over it. When there is a bar over it, you will understand that yes, it is a non-terminating decimal. But there is no bar like that, means it is understood that it is a terminating decimal. So how will you convert this terminating decimal into a P by Q form? What you do is, you take this number without decimal as it is, divided by 1, and after decimal, how many digits are there? 2. Keep 2 zeros. So what you need to do first? First you take the number without decimal, divide it by 1, and after decimal, how many numbers are there? Count and write zeros. Now simplify. 5 2s are 0, 5 3s are, 5 1s are, 5 5s are. Again 5 4s are, 5 6s are, 5 3s are. You cannot simplify it further. 63 by 4 is your answer. So what did you do? You have converted a decimal, that is a terminating decimal, into a fraction, that is P by Q form. Okay, children? Write down this. Now, in your textbook, you have got example 9. What is this example 9 means? You have to convert it, the given terms in P by Q form. In P by Q form. What is the first one? 0.35. As I said you, first you write the number without any decimal divided by 1. After decimal, how many? 2 digits, 2 zeros. So 5 7s are, 5 2s are, 0. So what is the answer, children? 7 by 20 is the answer for it. Okay. Now, second bit. Minus 8.005. So, I told you minus, right? 8005 divided by 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Now, go with 5 table. 5 2s are 0, 0, 5 1s are 5, 3, 5 6 are 30, 0, 5 1s are 5. You cannot divide it further, so the answer is minus 1601 by 200 is the answer. Now, let us go for the third one. The third bit is 2.104. So, 2104 by, after 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So, with the 2 table you can cancel. 2 5s are 0, 0. 2 1s are 2. 1 cannot be cancelled, so you have to keep 0. Then you can take 10. This mostly the children will do wrong in it, children. When you are dividing it with a table, if that number is, you are unable to divide, you have to take the next number also. Then in that place, you should keep 0 and take the next number. If that process, if you don't get, your problem will go wrong. 2 1s are 2, then if I write 2 5s are 10, that is wrong. Because this 1 cannot be divisible by 2. I need to take the next 0 with it. So, I need to keep 0 in the place of 1. Okay. Now, 5s are and 2s are. Again it will be cancelled by 2. 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 0. 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are. Again I can divide it by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. Okay. Now 5 7 8, it cannot be divisible by 3 and it also. So the answer is 263 by 125 is the answer for it, children. So write down this. Now we go to the next topic. converting non-terminating recurring decimals to what is that? A rational number, that is P by Q form. How to do it? It is example 10. They have given directly example 10 children. So let me take the first problem. 0.4 bar. As I told you earlier, the bar indicates that it is a repeating one. So what is this for children? 0.444, so on. That means what, children? What is the period here? The period is 4. Periodicity is 1. We are going to concentrate on this periodicity while solving the problem. How is it? Let us see. Let x is equal to 0.444, so on. Consider it as the first equation. What you need to do, you have to take first equation, multiply by 1 and listen. What is the periodicity? That many zeros you have to keep. Here periodicity is 1, you take 1 0. That means you have to multiply first equation by 10. According to the periodicity, I hope you have understood now, children. Identifying periodicity is very important, because if you know what is the periodicity, that many zeros after 1 you have to take, and with that number you have to multiply the first equation. So left hand side x becomes 10x, and right hand side, since you have 1 0, the decimal moves 1 digit right. So 4.444, so on, is the second equation. Understood, children? First of all, how many zeros you have to keep? That depends upon periodicity. Periodicity depends upon how many numbers are repeating. So after coming to know how many zeros you have to take, when you are multiplying the first equation with that number, whatever be the number of zeros, so many places the digit moves right side. So in this problem it is only 1 0, so it has moved to right side 4.444. So for second equation should be subtracted from first equation. First equation is x is equal to 0.444, so on. This is the first equation. Even this you have to remember. Another important point here is the decimals should match. That means 0.44, don't keep 4 from here. So keeping the numbers in an order is very important. Decimals properly, integral part properly, decimal properly. If you keep only, you will get correct answer. So 0, 0, 0, 4 is equal to, here minus 9x. So you are getting 9x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 by 9. This is your answer. You have converted a bar, that is 0.4 bar, into the decimal rational form. So I hope you have understood, children. Very, very important sum. It is compulsorily you will get. Now let us go to the second bit. This problem will be there even in your 10th class, children. So don't forget this. Now, second one, 0.54 bar. See, bar is over 54. So 0.54, 54, 54, so on. So, let first we will write periodicity. Period we need not write. We will write periodicity. What is periodicity? Over 2 digits. 2. So let, I will do the sum here, so the total I can do. Let x is equal to 0.5454, so on, first equation. Now periodicity is 2, so I should multiply first equation by, after 1, how many zeros? 2 is there, so 2 zeros. So 100x is equal to, since 2 digits, 2 zeros, 2 digits right side, 54.5454, so on, second equation. So second equation minus first equation, x is equal to 0.5454, so on. See children, representation, see 0 units place. So units place is this, below units place that 0 should come. So this representing is very, very important. Here if you go wrong, your problem will go wrong. 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 5 is equal to 99x. So what did you get? 99x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 by 99. This is the answer for this problem, children. Copy it. The main task in this is identifying periodicity, identifying the number of zeros, identifying where the decimal goes, putting that in a proper order. These all, if you are going to do properly, you will never go any wrong, any mistake in this problem, children. So please concentrate on these topics which I told you. Now let us see the third bit. Third bit is 4.7 bar. Means what, children? 4.777, so on. So what is periodicity? Only one. So let x is equal to 4.777, so on, first equation. So first equation multiplied by periodicity 1, 10. 10x is equal to 1 digit moves here, 47.777, so on, second equation. Second equation minus first equation, x is equal to 4.777, so on, first equation. Let us subtract, we'll get 0, 0, 0, 3, 4, this is 9x. So 9x is equal to 43. What is x? 43 by 9. This is your answer. So hope you have followed, children, all these 3 examples that I have done. Now we have got example 11. Express 15.732. Bar is over 32 in P by Q form. So children, the problem is 15.732. Bar is over 32. Means 15.7, 32, 32, 32, so on it goes. So what is the periodicity, children? Here the periodicity is 2, because only 2 values are repeating. Now let x is equal to 15.732, 32, so on, first equation. and first equation should be multiplied by 2 means 2 zeros. What are you getting? 100x is equal to 1 5, decimal goes right side, 7 3, 2 digits. One digit is 7, next digit is 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, it goes on like this, second equation. So, second equation minus first equation. X is equal to, see 15, units and tens, this is units, this is tens. 0.7, 3, 2, 3, 2, it goes on like this. So, 0, 0, 0, 0, here we will get 5, here again 13 means 1 already taken, here 2 means here 5, here 6 minus 1 is 5 and this is 5, 1 is equal to 99. 99 is equal to, you are getting 7, 15 point, oh this is 12 means here you will get 7 children, 12 minus 5 is 7, 1557.5 you are getting. So what are you getting here? 99x is equal to 1557.5. Zeros you need not write. That means what you can write? X is equal to, first you write x. X is equal to 1557.5 by 99. But again you are having decimal. You have to convert it into P by Q form. So even that decimal we don't want. So 1557.5 by 99, because for that point we are going to keep 0. So you can even simplify it if you can. If you simplify it, 5 1s are 49, 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So if you simplify 3115 by 198, you are getting it as answer. So either you take 3115 by 990 or you can even simplify it, you can take 15575 by 990 as a solution, or you can simplify it and you can take 3115 by 198. Usually if you can simplify, it is preferable to do this, children. This answer you can write 15575 by 990. You can end up here. But since you can simplify it further, do it. And the simplest form you write as the answer. So this is about this, children. The next one is exercise. Exercise problems we will be doing in the next class. Copy it, children. Copy it.